Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Today we're opening up Goddess Provisions. So I am going to flip the camera around and we're going to open it up close together. Just want to do a little intro. I am super excited. Goddess Provisions is one of my favorite boxes. I always say that because it truly is. It is $33 a month. There's a theme each month and all the items are so well curated, so good. It is honestly so inspiring, so fun, so even like the items are practical. I use them all. I love Goddess Provisions. I will link them down below, and this is an update too. I did post it on my community tab, but I now have a code with them that will get you $5 off. So I have a referral link and then that code I will leave down below. So if you use it, I get some credit, I believe. So thank you in advance if you do it. But yeah, if you guys are interested, this is awesome. They never had any discount codes until this month. So thank you Goddess Provisions so much for sending this to me, which by the way, it is sent to me free for review, but not sponsored or anything like that. So thank you, thank you, thank you to all of you and to Goddess Provisions. I love this box. Let's get it open. So here is another view of what the box looks like. Let's get started. My address is on the other side, so 1 second. So that little handout with all the information on the items always also serves as an art piece. I love that. And it looks like tap into your higher purpose. Ooh, I love that. I'm super excited. She's saying about divination. I'm so excited. I love this. It's super cute. So the theme is Age of Aquarius. Ooh. So here are all the items inside. I like that they give a little description and pricing, and also there's discount codes if you get they have items featured from other companies. Really love that. And then they always give information. You guys, I'm so excited. I only know one item, but I'm like, hell yes. And other information, I think I touched on some of these. They have a Moon Wisdom Club. You can join. If you rate your box or review it, you can enter to win a free one. For every box sold, they plant a tree. They're all about eco-friendly, vegans, cruelty-free stuff, which I love. They have a referral program, which I mentioned a little bit. I'll have my referral link down below. And here's the artist. So this is their co-created by artists Kelsey Delange and Cameron Lee Hunter. I love it. So let's start off with this divination set, since that caught my attention instantly. Comes in this little bag. There's 6 dice in here. So I have some, I'll show you. We're on my tarot table now where I do unboxing sometimes. I have a few. These are like astrological dice, so I'm super excited to see what these ones look like. And there's an affirmation. I roll with each opportunity the universe presents me. Ooh, I'm so excited. I'm kind of leave this here. Let's see. So this has a $28 value. Looks like we have some more information here. Oh, so there's a bag in the bag. Oh, so there's like 3 in each. So these are the Moon Goddess dice set and Fortune Foretold dice set. Oh my god, there's 2 here? So what does this say? Unlock the mysteries of the universe with this glittering set of 6 resin dice. Call on the power of numerology, the moon, the zodiac, the planets, the houses, tarot, and the elements, all in lavender bags nestled inside a white satin pouch. New to divination dice, they link a blog post here. And then there's some sets here as well. Divination dice can be used as a tool for receiving guidance and insight. So first I'm opening up the Moon Goddess dice set. So you can choose your dice from the 2 sets. You can use them together or separately. Roll and then interpret. Oh man, this is so cool. So this one looks like it has, must be the numerology piece to it because there's different amount of stars on each. Oh, and this says moon phases. Last quarter new moon. Oh my god, you guys, I'm so excited. By the way, I have another channel where I do divination. I have a tarot channel, Kitty Rising. I will link that down below. I just finished up the April zodiac readings right before this. Okay, I am so excited. Let's do a little sample roll of this one and then we'll get into the other. So we have here this symbol. I don't even know what that is. We'll look in the book. Last quarter and 5 stars. Let's look and see what this set looks like in here. Oh my, I'm so excited. I love stuff like this. So it talks about how to use it. And then the symbols. Oh, that must be on the other dice. So here's the moon goddess dice set. So yeah, numerology. So it gives you what the numbers mean. So 5, adventure, seeking something new. And then last quarter, right? That's what I did. Being flexible and adaptable. Oh, is that a wand? Okay, it's an element. I didn't know what that was. It looks like that is a wand. So the ego, spirituality, and creativity. And then it gives an example reading, some bonus ideas. This is so fun. I love this kind of stuff. Now let's look at the fortune ones. Oops. So these are a little different shaped. Let's roll them. We have the number 5 again. Wow, 5. To me, 5 means change. It kind of mentioned that, didn't it? I don't know, but like, yeah. Chaos, change. Let's see. And then it looks like we have Pisces here. Man, I'm so excited about this. Is that Pisces? Oh, sorry. Am I way too close looking at it? And Mars. Let's double check. So fun. I could like do this all day. Okay. Yep, definitely Mars. It's gotta be Pisces, right? Yep. Pisces. So Mars says passion, drive, energy. Pisces is creativity and intuition. And oh, these are 5th houses. Oh, creativity and sensuality. Okay, that makes sense. It was all astrology. I'm like the number 5. Yeah, but you could still interpret it any way you wanted to. But the 5th house, yeah. The 5th house rules children, sexual, romance, creativity, like entrepreneurship. Oh yeah, so the sensuality. Yeah. So awesome, you guys. I cannot wait to dig into this more. I don't know. I love that sound. So what is this? Sorry, you can hear my cat in the background. Aquarius. Oh, it's like the water bearer. Okay, cool. So fun. I'm so excited, you guys. And then here we have a rose, or a flower. So, and that represents, okay, so that represents the earth elements. Cool. I'm so excited to get into this more. This is, I mean, it's the only item I've opened, but I'm like, I was about to say this is my favorite. I don't even know yet. I'm just gonna put these all to like the side now. Hi, Emmy. Okay, awesome. Great way to start. This is so fun. Okay, what else we got? Oh, lapis lazuli. Holy Santo lapis lazuli vibe crystals. I found out my grandma, who died when I was really young, her favorite crystal was lapis lazuli, and I've wanted more in my life, and now I have them. This makes me really happy. 5 crystals. Let's see if it says more. Lapis lazuli. Carry the stone with you to tap into your inner wisdom and embrace your highest self. Use this stone to expand your consciousness and connect to your guides. Use your lapis lazuli to create a charm bag. Meditate during the new moon. For divine insight, protect and reinforce your energetic aura. Wear a necklace. Craft your own spell jar with mugwort, lavender, clear quartz, or other magical offerings to help you connect with your third eye. This is awesome. So this is a $9.99 value. You really can do a lot with these in spell work or whatever. All the ways they said. So there is a code here for Holy Santo. I have a few things by them. I like this brand. Vibe 20 saves you 20% at holysanto.com. Awesome. Well, let's see what we got in this bag. Ooh, so shiny. Age of Aquarius perfume oil. This is by Soapy Lane. Yeah, look at this. A balanced blend of amber, lemon, vetiver, bergamot, sweet orange, rose, absolute, and ylang ylang, chosen for their effective ability to free the mind and open the heart. To use, roll directly onto skin, rub on inner wrists, behind ears, and collarbone for a beautiful, lasting scent. This is so fun, and it totally goes with the theme. So this has a retail value of $25, and there's a code here, Goddess25, saves you 25% at soapylane.etsy.com. Sniff it. Ooh, let's put some I actually like when they don't, yeah, you kind of have to click that. Oh, got that. Oh my god, it smells so good. Oh, I'm just gonna rub it on my wrist. Sorry, I'm like way too close to the camera, aren't I? Ooh, and again, I'm gonna put it behind my ears. Awesome. I'm trying to think what scent. I smell Ling Ling a lot. I don't know if I feel like I say that word wrong sometimes. And the bergamot and the sweet orange. Those are sticking out to me the most, but sometimes it's interesting if you guys know, like certain notes will come out at different times. I see the word manifest. Oh, a little book. Oh my god, yay. An illustrated and handwritten guide to discovering your own magic by Annie Tarasova. Oh my god, I love this kind of stuff. This is a $25 value, and there's also a code for this one. Moon Goddess saves you 15% at dreamymoons.com.au. Embark on a transformative journey with Manifest, the ultimate guide to practical manifestation that will help you unlock your full potential and turn your wildest dreams into reality. This interactive book is a must-have for anyone seeking to discover their own magic and create the life they truly desire. Oh yeah. So, let's see what the tailored contents. May this book help to make all your dreams come true. Thanks. She's cute. Wow, this is different. I like how it's set up. It said handwritten. I didn't know what they meant. She's only 22. I wish I knew all about this stuff when I was 22, but I'm happy I do now. I'm grateful. What's manifestation? Oh, cool. Let's just flip to a random page. Describe your dream home in detail. Location, how does it look and feel? How many and which rooms does it have? Who do you live with? What do you do when you wake up each morning? And the next page, create a vision board for your dream home. Oh my god, I love this type of thing. Being so specific like this, I love this. Okay. 10 things I can do every day to get closer to my goal. This is so awesome. When it happens, give gratitude and say thank you. How to manifest. This is so fun. So I like how there's a part for dream journals. That's super awesome. I was just talking about that. Oh, travel. So you can get clear on where you want to travel. Relationships. Describe your dream relationship in detail. What is your dream partner? What about friends? What is your relationship like with your family? How do you spend your time together? And then you create a vision board. This is so awesome. I'm super excited about this, you guys. Cool. And then I think two things. I thought they were going to be just crystal. Oh, we have a pen to go with our little new notebook. Let's get this out. I love the purple. It says manifesting magic. Ooh, look at this. Are there crystals in there? I think there's some amethyst in there. Let's read about what it says. Is there? $7 value. Unleash your inner goddess with this enchanting purple metal barrel black ink pen featuring clear quartz crystals and lead. Oh, there's clear quartz in there. It just looks purple. I see that now. Cool. Let the power of manifestation flow as you manifest magic with the mystical energy of nature and the universe. So is it black or? Oh, there's one of those little things on. Yep, it's a black pen. Cool. I love that. And now let's look at our crystal. And you guys, I see the name here, and I don't know if I know this crystal. It says larvakite. Let's look at it up close. Ooh. Cool. Let's read about it. I'm going to pick this up now because I can't read that far. Stimulate your creativity, wisdom, and intellect with this crystal that evokes inner strength and is commonly used in meditation to produce inner visions. This mystical stone is known to enhance psychic abilities, helping us see ourselves through our higher self and promote clarity to past life recall visions, making it a powerful tool for anyone seeking to connect with their higher consciousness. This is a $5 value. I'm so excited. I love getting crystals. I got my nails done today. And me and the nail technician were talking about crystals and stuff like the whole time. I was like, I love this. I usually don't have people in real life to chat about all this stuff with. I am so excited. I love learning about new ones. Look how so pretty. Awesome. You guys, this was such a good box. What do you think? I would love to hear your thoughts down below. Again, I will link God's Provisions down below along with the code to save $5 off your first box. Thank you again to you guys, of course, for being here, and God's Provisions for providing that code. Let's see. I think the dice are I'm the most excited about. I like all of this in the book. This is really good. I like getting clear on this. And the lapis lazuli reminds me of my grandma. I love crystals. I love all of this. But yeah, this is, you guys, I'm totally going to use these in readings. I'm going to practice a bit with myself and get to know the dice and stuff. Do some smoke cleansed, etc., etc. But you'll see these in some future videos. Super excited. And if you're into this kind of stuff, please check out my other channel if you haven't already. I'm trying to grow that because I just really, it's my passion, and I feel like tarot and astrology and spirituality have really helped me, and I think it would help other people, and that is my goal. But anyways, I love you guys so much. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Like this video, leave a comment, and do something special for yourself. You deserve it. I love you so much, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.